Hi guys, good morning. So let us see what is today's law. Law of group life. Okay. So not only must man fulfill in love in his family, national obligations, but he must think in the wider terms of humanity itself. All aspects of life of God are interdependent. When one proceeds or to fuller expression and all of the group benefits. Okay, so what I can understand from this law is even though a man is living, he is individual and he is independent, he is completely freedomful, he can live whatever he chooses. Okay, so this is what is law of independency tells. Okay, and no other person can force him to live. Okay, like telling the societal rules or anything. Okay, but in this law what they are telling is even though man is independent individual with complete ultimate freedom, also he lives inside a group which is inside the society, and that society is inside a state, and that state is within a country. Isn't it? This is how we live, our lives are. So while we are living like that, a man should always fulfill his responsibilities. Not only a man, any human being should fulfill his responsibilities for the family, for that society, out of love as well as out of responsibility, and he should fulfill his responsibility for the nation also. Okay, this is what they are telling. This is humanity, and whatever and the social service life purpose we live now, it is like whatever we have learned we are teaching it to the society, because we know that is for the best, that is for the highest good, and that is for the highest interest. Okay, so people who are coming in such, even when you are teaching your life purpose, you should not voluntarily go to people, you should not voluntarily give lectures for hours together to people, make them sit, listen. No, 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 you should not do all that. That is all is like you forcing upon them. They have to come to you if they need, out of their own interest. When people come like that, you have to teach them. That is also like higher purpose of the humanity. That is also like you are widening the that higher vibration to people. Okay, you are giving it to the people, offering it to the people, like that. So that is also your responsibility, one among the responsibility. You have to do that. So what this law states is completely this nation, completely the society is interdependent in the ways we live with the parents or we live in the husband's house, we go to a shopkeeper. Okay, even though that shopkeeper is going to give you whatever you are going to ask, he'll give you only for money. So he's doing business for money. From him you want groceries or toiletries or some goods. Okay, he is having the goods which you need and you are having the money which he needs. So this is how the society functions, isn't it? So there is interdependency. And same way neighborhood, everybody, you go and ask, are you fine, how are you, how was your day? All this companionships, all these friendships, neighborhoodships, all these are also needed. So everywhere there is interdependency. So when you live upon interdependency, it comes out of love as well as responsibility, both together. So this law of group life tells, so live that and fulfill that. Okay, and proceed with that full expression so that the complete group gets benefited for the highest good. Okay, so do that with compassion. That is what this law is telling. Okay, so let us see in some other law next time. Until then, bye.